Lot, why did your sons-in-law laugh off your warning? Here's the next question. Lot, why did you linger? See what it says in verse 16? They're supposed to run out of the city, the morning dawn, and the angels urged Lot to hurry, saying, arise, take your wife and your 2 daughters who are here, lest you be consumed in the punishment of the city. And while he lingered, the men took hold of his hand and his wife's hand and the hands of his 2 daughters, the Lord being merciful to him, and brought him out, sent him outside the city. He lingered. He should have fled, but he lingered. Kidner says, not even brimstone can make a pilgrim out of Lot. Lot was hesitant. He hemmed and hawed. Even though he now knew that those 2 men who were in his house, there's a question as we read the text, like, is he aware that they are angels? When he first came, is he aware of this? It doesn't seem like it. But certainly, when they reached out and grabbed him and pulled him in the house, that would be a difficult thing to do, right? Yanked him into the house through the door, and then struck everyone with blindness outside the door. And then we see their depravity in that instead of them repenting in their blindness, what do? They keep reaching for the door. Lot was aware now. Then they say, hey, we've come here to destroy this place. Get out. Lot's aware that they're angels. He knows, and yet he's lingering. He's hesitant. We're surprised that his sons-in-law laughed him off, but how do you explain the fact that he lingered? After all, he knows these men are angels. He believes the judgment is coming. The only explanation is that his heart is there in Sodom to some degree. That can only be explained by his affinity for the place. He knows he has to leave, but he kind of doesn't really want to. He knows judgment's coming, but he still finds himself wanting to stay. It's a heart matter, right? This is something that's now programmed. It's in his mind. This is past merely intellectually weighing out the pros and cons. Oh, no, he wants to. He wants to stay there. That's why we need a heart change, not merely a change of our mind, although that's the way God transforms us, through our mind, through our hearts.